Use the binding tool in TUKAdesign to automatically create binding for selected segments. In this example, we will create 2 binding pieces for this camisole, one going from the side front to the back, and one for the neckline. Before using the binding tool, go to Tools, Binding Setup, to configure the properties for the binding. First, set the piece width. Here we can use 1/2 inch. Next, depending on the fabric for this style, you can choose to add scaling, or set the piece at an angle. For example, if the binding will be stretched during sewing, we can enter -10% to make the binding piece slightly smaller than the selected segments. If the binding will be cut on the bias, we can enter 45 degrees. Tick on the Copy Segment Notches option to automatically copy notches from the front and back pieces to the binding piece. In the Create Half Piece section, select whether to create the binding as a half piece, either with a horizontal or vertical mirror line, or set it as no half. The system automatically adds support notches to the binding when crossing over a seam. If you do not want to add support notches at the seams, tick on the Don't Use option. Tick on the Use Default Notch option to make support notches with the same notch settings defined in Tools, Notch Setup. If you wish to define the type and mode for support notches, leave this option unticked. Click OK to complete the binding setup. Now, right-click in the work area and select the binding tool. First, let's make the binding for the side, front, and back. With the binding tool active, click the back segment, then click the side front segment. The system automatically builds the binding piece with each added segment, according to the given properties, and with the corresponding notches. Since we also need to make binding for the front neckline, hold the Shift key, then click the neckline segment. The system finishes the first binding piece, and starts the second binding piece. Right-click to finish using the binding tool. If the pattern is graded, the binding pieces will be graded automatically. Use the Compare Length tool to verify that the binding pieces were created with the correct scaling.